doing well. My name is Kritika Zimman and July has started, rainy season has started, so I thought why not rain some fashion. So I will be posting two videos on Wednesday and on Saturday this July. So it's going to rain fashion and there's going to be a lot of fashion content. So stay tuned and also do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will get a notification. And do watch this video till end, as I had promised you all that I will be posting a detailed video on how you can style prints on prints. So here I am today explaining you all the do's and don'ts and very simple rules of like styling prints on prints. I know some people get intimidated by the idea of prints on prints. It is like too much for some people. Even I feel sometimes. But if you style it the right way and balance it the right way, it won't be look very OOTT and you will look super stylish because of that. So let's begin the video. So starting with our video of prints on prints, I would like you to tell about different types of prints we have and which we can see in day-to-day life and how you all can style them. It's very simple. There are only 3 rules which you have to follow and you can rock that look. Moving towards our first print, that is polka dots. It gives so much of retro vibes and we are very well aware of polka dots. Now second print is our florals, the evergreen florals. Like there are so much huge variety of floral prints, like very from vintage to neons to very much funky. There are many varieties of florals which you can style. So our third print is animal print, and it was very much in trend few years back because when I was in college I used to see at least one girl wearing that every day. There was no single day that I haven't seen any girl wearing animal print. Moving towards our fourth print, that is paisley print. Now this gives very much Indian and traditional vibes, and you can see this prints on kurtis, saris and all. But nowadays we get such printed tops, bandanas, then shirts and everything. Now, so after that we have camouflage print, which we also called as military print. Then we have stripes, gingham, then plaid, then houndstooth and chevron. Different types of checks and geometrical prints, you can say. And this were our prints. So moving towards the very question how to style prints on prints, we have very simple tip, trick, hack or rule, you can say, that is mixing bold prints with smaller prints, and here I am giving you few examples on how you can style them. Now you can see in the first picture, she is wearing polka dot top with a bold printed skirt. Now here the polka print is small and is in black and white color, which is acting like a neutral tone. Second pic, the shirt is having stripe print on it, but if you look from far it is not visible and looks as if it's a solid shirt. So I'm zooming it now. You can clearly see the stripes on the shirt which she has paired with a bold printed skirt, and it is looking balanced and stylish too. In third pic, she is wearing a plaid pant with polka dot. Now the polka dots are smaller compared to the plaid pant, therefore it is looking balanced. So moving towards our second tip or trick is to style similar colors के clothes with different prints. Like the base color of your clothes should be same or at least in the same tone, and the prints can vary. It can be different prints. So here's example of how you can style it. But you can see there's similar color tone in every outfit. In first picture it's black, in second it's purple, in third it's rusty orange, and in fourth it's blue. Even if the prints are different but the colors and tones are similar, therefore they are looking good together. Our third trick or tip, you can say, is to style same prints but with different colors. Now you can use two similar prints and style them. Here are the examples. In first picture, the sizes of the print are different. One is bigger and another one is smaller. In second pic too, the prints are similar but the sizes are different, and same goes with the third picture. But if you notice the fourth picture, the color are different of the prints, and the prints are also sort of similar. They are not exact same but sort of similar, and it is looking balanced. So our fourth hack is to go all black and white, that is go neutrals. You cannot go wrong with black and white. There are no rules while styling black and white clothes, and here are the examples of how you can style them. Picture, you can clearly see the combination of black and white with different prints, and cause of that they are looking stylish and super chic, because black and white never goes wrong and out of style, and it's very easy to pair. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and it was informative for you and you learned something, and if you did, do share it with your friends and family, and we'll meet you Wednesday. And I am going to start a series called Fashion Basics, wherein I will show you how you can style your basic clothes. So please do stay tuned and keep watching my videos. We'll meet you Wednesday. Take care, stay home, stay safe, and bye.